In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing options. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones, or tap on the chosen one and operate it from here. When you finished with all of those, scroll down a tiny bit and click on More Typing Options to manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!